Hello everyone, welcome back to Sawdust and Circuits. I had some time last week, so I went ahead and designed a couple of lights. This first lamp, I call it the Louver Lamp. It mostly consists of a 3-watt LED, a Type-C breakout board, and a 40 by 40 by 20 millimeter heatsink. I like building all of these pockets into these projects. I feel like it makes the assembly very streamlined and simple. If you enjoy custom builds and one-off projects, subscribe and let me know what you like, or hate, no shade. I call this one the Louver Lamp. The base is a 2-part enclosure that houses a Type-C breakout board and a 5-watt LED. This base enclosure is held together with 4 M3 by 10 millimeter screws. Based on my questionable math, this should be enough to handle up to 5 watts of heat. There will be 8 of these screws in the assembly entirely. The louver shade also uses the same screws. Let me know what you guys think about these projects. I never really know how they're being taken, and whether you would like to build any of these as well. Now that the base is complete, let's make sure we have no wiring errors. I don't know if it comes through on camera, this is a very bright wide-angle LED. Now this upper assembly is where the louvers are. And it also mounts with 4 M3 by 10 millimeter screws. Now let's roll the dice with this dice lamp. I'd seen a similar project that was out of wood, and I thought that it might be a nice design to be 3D printed. By rotating the die in the orientation it is, it does not use any supports. Now this project is very similar to the last one, except for the dice mounts from inside the base. Now a lot of these projects end up being born out of abundance. A lot of times when you're buying things like a Type-C breakout board, you're buying them in a 10-pack. And when you buy a 3-watt LED, you're often buying them in a 6-pack or more. So sometimes these projects are more or less just born out of abundance. I kinda like the gold accents of this one. Projects like these are a lot of fun, because once the design work is done, the assembly is pretty easy. But builds like this also remind me that I have to be the designer, the engineer, the builder, and somehow also the marketer. There's no way to be great at all of those jobs, and honestly, I don't even want to be. Now let's get some good shots of both of these and see how they turned out. And before you even mention it, I did notice that one of these louvers was glued at a little bit of an angle. Not ideal, but pretty much permanent with superglue. Let me know what you think, and if you would want to build either one. Now this one was my favorite out of the two. I think it has a very modern appearance. Being Type-C powered allows you to use this wherever you have a charge cord. I've had some of my designs show up on sites being sold. Some people say that means that I've made it. I'm not so sure about that. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about these projects. I have a lot of fun designing them, but that's about it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.